How to protect yourself from coronavirus.
Nothing has changed about the way COVID-19 spreads, so the basics still apply. The coronavirus is spread through the respiratory vapor, such as when someone sneezes or coughs into the air around you. It can also spread if someone who is infected sneezes or coughs into their hand, then touches a door handle, light switch and other high-touch surfaces. Influenza viruses and common cold viruses are also spread this way. However, now that the virus is more widespread in the US, other preventative guidelines do apply, such as the now well-known concept of social distancing. Wash your hands. This is still the #1 way to prevent coronavirus. The things you should do to protect yourself from the coronavirus are things you should do every day. The #1 thing you can do to prevent any respiratory illness is to practice good personal hygiene. Washing your hands correctly, using soap and water and washing for at least 25 seconds, or using hand sanitizer when soap and water aren't available, still stands as the best way to prevent the spread of infectious diseases. Stay home. The CDC, the WHO, governments, and healthcare workers are all urging people to stay home if they can. Obviously, some people don't have the luxury of working from home, and people still need to venture out to grocery stores and gas stations. But when you can stay home, do so to flatten the curve. If you do need to leave the house, follow some basic preventative measures. Follow local public health guidelines. By mid-March 2020, many states, counties, and cities implemented their own protective measures to slow the spread of the coronavirus. Many public and private schools are closed, and youth sports programs have been suspended just as college and professional sports have. Restaurants and bars are closed or have limited hours and capabilities, as do other non-essential businesses, such as clothing stores. If your local government has imposed guidelines, you should follow them to the best of your ability to prevent yourself from coronavirus. Boost your immune system. On top of basic illness prevention, the best way to defend against disease is a strong immune system. Your body is better able to fight off illnesses when your immune system is really humming, and everyone should put in an effort to get theirs into tip-top shape. This is a time to focus on all the healthy habits you may have been putting off, start daily activities and food choices that support your health and turn them into habits that will lead to lifelong improvements in health. During this time, get adequate sleep and some fresh air and sunlight daily. Stay calm. In addition to your physical health, you should take care of your mental health. High stress levels can take a toll on your immune system, which is the opposite of what you want in this situation. If you're feeling overly anxious about the coronavirus, follow these tips from a psychotherapist to keep your calm. Regularly and thoroughly clean surfaces, such as countertops and doorknobs, light switch with a disinfectant.
If you have another method of how to prevent yourself from coronavirus, please tell me below. Maybe it can save someone from this virus.